We got a biscuit.
Tomato.
Pretty good park up. The weather hasn't been great, but it looks grey and horrible, but it's actually deceptively warm here. Right on the beach. Flat. Pretty good farm over there with cockerels and geese. They wander around freely. The sheep and the goats wander around freely. There's a shepherd. Yeah. Not the cleanest beach.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it? To write you this song. 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt?
Rather interesting, is it?
I know, they're lovely, aren't they?
The baddie eye.
She's got a baddie eye. He's lovely. And bless her. That's the one with the chopped off ears over there, getting fed from the other van, because they're good people too. No, you're beautiful, aren't you? You're beautiful, aren't you? Are you a good girl? Yeah, I'll get you some more food out afterwards, although I have fed her this morning. So we stopped here last night. Good night. The dogs were barking, but to be honest, we have completely. I think we blocked that out now. I don't really hear it so much. I'm sort of aware they're barking, but that's about it. Park for night. I'll leave you the 3 words. I think in better weather, clearer weather, this is beautiful. You'll be able to see all the way over to Al Kadiki over there. Yeah, if you come to this one, feed the strays, because I would say this is probably the place where they're the thinnest. And by the look of her teeth, she's only very young. And she's got a loose dew claw there, so this one's got some problems, but she's also weirdly wearing a collar. Hopefully she hasn't just been let out and dumped. In Greece, and they're actually really cheap. What they do is they have this little swinger thing for motorhomes that swings out over the top to measure you. So how much is this one going to cost? There's a thing on the side. It's going to be €1.20.
Yeah. If you're more than 270,
Yeah.
it's €3.
Yeah.
If you're less than 270. Hello.
Stop.
Sorry.
Okay. 120.
There we go. Thank you.
Have a nice trip. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I have to say, to be honest, if they're going to improve the condition of these motorways, they need to put the prices up, because Greek motorways are shocking. They are awful, aren't they?
Oh, they're
Just bouncing
shit.
around all over the place.
They are awful.
Yeah,
I think my teeth and my wig have gone off about 10 times.
yeah. Worst condition of motorways we've come across. Some of the cheapest tolls, although because you pay so little to have a Romanian toll or vignettes, it probably works out about the same. But we thought the condition of the Romanian motorways was a bit better than this. Conditions like, look at the potholes.
Meatyville.
in Meteora. So we've decided to park for night, so we were given a really good recommendation the other day on the beach for some brilliant places to stay and park for free. So we're going to go up and see if we can get parked up there. So we're hoping to be up on the top by the monasteries. Hoping.
Good morning. Here we are in Meteora, the place with 6 monasteries on the rocks. We're having a wander around with the dogs and it's absolutely crammed.
Yeah, it's really
Yeah.
busy.
We stopped last night, amazing.
I would say a top tip for Meteora would be, if you're in a motorhome, we'll put the parking place we're in on the screen now. Come the night before, and then in the morning you will have your parking space ready, because this place fills up really fast.
Oh yeah,
the
it's
roads are
really
covered, everything is full.
And once you get to the top, there's a turn in place and it's full of buses. So if you're in a motorhome, you'll struggle to turn. So
Yeah,
we'll put in the 3 words, and that's the final car park before the top.
yeah.
If you want to get around the monastery, obviously we got the dogs, so we won't be. But you need to be, if you're a guy, you need to have trousers. And if you're a female,
You need to have a long skirt. You're not allowed to wear trousers, but I do believe that inside the monasteries they do have trousers and wraps that they give to the visitors.
yeah.
It's packed up there, so normally we would do the doggy swap, but we're not going to do that now.
Yeah, no doggy swaps today.
No. So I think what we're going to do is go around and just carry on walking around as far as we can get, all the different monasteries,
Yeah.
and we'll go and see them and visit them from the outside, because to be
Absolutely.
honest, they're spectacular from the outside. I think from the inside they're going to be crammed, aren't
Amazing, yeah. I mean, up here there's 5 monasteries and 1 nunnery,
they? Yeah.
but they are kept separate.
And another hint, the monks get up really early. The bells start ringing at 4:30 in the morning, and they're quite loud in the car park we were in last night. So yeah, prepare yourself.
Yeah. I'm just going to run the wipers a minute.
Evil laughter.
So here we are on top of the 60 million year old rocks, and between the 13th and 14th century these monasteries were built. Pretty amazing, isn't it? And it's also a UNESCO World Heritage site. Of the 24 monasteries, only 6, 4 of men and 2 of women, so 4 monasteries, 2 nunneries, are still functioning, with each housing fewer than 10 individuals.
You should see the train of motorhomes coming down the hill. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 motorhomes all in a row, and a bus in the middle. Bye bye, Meteora. Although we'll probably see you down from the Caldenbacher. Look at the drops down the side.
Bye-bye monkeys.
As you can see, we've been parked up here. We're on our own, although this is actually quite a popular park up. Mainly because of what's down here. The whole area last night was full of fireflies. It was the most amazing show with just these fireflies, the little lights blinking on and off and on and off.